In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the human shield mechanic in Black Ops 6, where you use an enemy as a body shield. To start, you will need to sneak up behind someone and get close enough that these input icons start to appear. Now, double tap on your melee button and you will take the enemy as a human shield. Typically, your melee button will be circle or right stick on PlayStation controller and B or right stick on Xbox. Alternatively, you can change the inputs, so you will need to hold down your melee button rather than double tap. To do this, open the settings. Go down and select controller or mouse and keyboard if you're using PC inputs. Switch to the combat tab at the top, then go down and open the combat advanced settings. Scroll down and select the swap body shield finishing move behavior option. Here you can choose to prioritize body shield, which will allow you to press and hold down your melee button to use the body shield mechanic. Alternatively, select body shield only if you don't want to accidentally execute someone. You'll need to double tap the melee button with this option. Close the settings and you now know how to use the body shield mechanic in BO6. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.